guys, your girl Bria Van Kooten. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It's been a minute since I vlogged, but we are here. I felt in the mood to vlog. It is Wednesday and yeah, I'm about to head out. This weekend I'm going to Maryland D.C. and I was like, I'm gonna vlog the weekend because I'm going to the Chicken Wing Fest and I'm going to the African American Museum in DC. I forgot the full name. We'll put it on the screen. But I'm going to that in DC, and then we're going to the Chicken Wing Fest in Maryland with my family. So I was like, well, I could vlog the weekend, but then today I'm going to a press day. So I was like, I could start vlogging today. So I'm going to Soho, going to a press day for a showroom that I pulled from. If you don't know, I am a New York City based wardrobe stylist. So I've pulled from this showroom multiple times. I've been to multiple of their press days. So today is another press day. And the press day is basically where you go and see like the new clothes and designers that they have in the showroom. So yeah, I'm heading out. I want to show you guys my outfit and then we're gonna head out because I don't want to be late. All right, we have the outfit of the day. I love the juxtaposition of this top with the utility cargo shorts. It's so good. And then the back, like the textures and contrast of this look is so good. All right, y'all, I did not make it to the showroom yet. My appointment is not till 1, but I had a meeting that I had to get to for 11. So I was like, I can't be late. But now I'm about to head to Old Navy because today the Christopher John Rogers collab with Old Navy dropped today. That Old Navy didn't have the Christopher John Rogers collab, so I'm gonna check one more Old Navy a little later and see if they have it. I just want to see what they have in store. Maybe I'll get something, I don't know, but we'll see. But I am heading to Soho now and do a little bit of my to-do list before, because my appointment, like I said, is not till 1 and I have time to spare, so let me get out of the way. I could get back home earlier. Hey y'all, I am back home. I made it back in. It has been a long day, but a great day, very productive, very well spent. And yeah, the last time y'all saw me, I said I was leaving the Old Navy, and I said I was on my way to the press day. I didn't end up going to the other Old Navy to see if they had the collection. I didn't feel like going to another one, but I did see the collection online. I saw all of the pieces, and from all the things that I saw, I didn't really care to purchase anything. I didn't really care to buy anything, so I was like, I'm not even gonna spend my time and go to another Old Navy. And then I went to the press day. It was at, like I said, the showroom that I usually pull from. They always invite me to like their press days to see their new collections. It was very nice. So one of the girls that runs the showroom, her name is Tiffany. She's super sweet, super nice, and she's always very helpful and guided me through. We had a nice little chit chat, and yeah, I met another stylist that he's styling someone for the Devil Wears Prada premiere, and yeah, that was cute to see. So, you know, just giving me a more push, because I'm like, obviously, if you guys haven't been watching my channel for a long time, I am a New York City based wardrobe stylist. I have been styling for the past 12 years, almost 13 years. And you know, it can be moments where it's very consistent, I'm working, I'm doing things, and then all of a sudden it could like fall off. So yeah, I haven't got hired to style something in a minute. It's been a minute, so it's been definitely a slow period. And yeah, just seeing other people do stuff, and it's just more motivation to be like, all right, yeah, this is exactly where I want to be and what I want to be doing. I mean, I know that already, but seeing it, I'm just like, yeah, this is exactly where I want to be. Like, I want to be out and about, going to showrooms, pulling things for my clients, getting them ready for award shows and premieres and all that. And I know it's gonna happen. I know it's coming. I just have to keep on the track, keep moving, be patient, and yeah, I definitely feel this is like one of the best times that I've felt I feel really good right now. And something about when like the sun comes out and the good weather comes around, I feel even better. And this weather is making me even more happy and making me want to push and go even harder. And yeah, I know good things are coming. My dream client, consistent client is coming soon, and I'll be doing all the things, traveling with them, doing premieres and award shows and all that. So yeah, Met Gala, all the things. I know it's coming. Yeah, let me show you guys what I got. So at the press day, we got a little goodie bag with some things, and then something that I got yesterday I ordered it from Amazon. I ordered it, yesterday was Tuesday, I ordered it on Monday and it came. That's why I love Prime, because it came the next day. But I've been adding in some new brooches into my collection, and I found this really cute brooch on Amazon, and I was like, oh my god, this would be so nice on my blazer. Look at this brooch. Yes, it is a bicycle. Like, look at her. Y'all, so cute. Like, I will link this down below because it's so cute. I'm gonna put this on my blazer. And then last but not least, I went to Maryland D.C, ALD, and I got me a little t-shirt. This is actually my first Maryland D.C piece. But yeah, just this olive green t-shirt. It has Maryland D.C on the front right there, and then in the back it has this like old car, truck, and then it has Maryland D.C at the bottom. I love the olive green. I love how cropped and boxy it is, and I definitely have an outfit already. I'm gonna do these with some denim and my burgundy loafers. But yeah, that's what I got on my day out. I am about to go, my egg should be done soon. I'm gonna go make my salad, and then I'm gonna go, like I said, do some work for the rest of the day. I will be back on Saturday when we are heading out to Washington and Maryland, the DMV area, as the Braxtons would say when I was watching the Braxton Family Values. And so yeah, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Hey guys, good evening. It is Bria. We are back for another day of the vlog. Today is April 18th, and yeah, I'm in the hotel. We have been out in New York since this morning. We left around 11 a.m. and yeah, we didn't make it to the museum today, which we were supposed to go, but we were running late, so we didn't get to go today. But we're gonna go to the museum tomorrow, and we're also gonna go to the Chicken Wing Fest, like I said. So yeah, that's the plan tomorrow. Today we pretty much just went to an outlet, went to the mall, got food, and chilled. And now we're at the hotel, about to take a shower, eat the rest of my leftovers, and watch Beyond the Gates until I fall asleep. So I will see you guys in the morning.
Where's Kim?
Baby, it's 12. It ain't right. But that's what we have to do something.
Oh, yeah. Cause see, you don't even have a luggage thing.
Yeah.
Men and women and children of every race and every faith can join.
Hey y'all, made it back to end off the vlog, the weekend vlog. It is now Wednesday. It is April 22nd. I'm back in my apartment. I just came home from work and I was like, I need to end up the vlog because I didn't. But let's wrap it up. Went to the museum. It was amazing. Definitely have to go back because I did not see everything. I saw the slavery. It was 3 floors of the slavery and the segregation and all of that. The Emmett Till room broke me down as usual. Anytime I talk about or hear the Emmett Till story, it always makes me cry, and it definitely did again. And then I went to the music area, which was amazing. That was definitely, of course, my favorite part. And then after that, we went to the Chicken Wing Fest, which was cool. Definitely would love to go back and go even earlier and get to like try more things. Just came back from picking up my Bath and Body Works order. I ordered a couple candles because there was a candle deal over the weekend, so I got a couple candles. And yeah, I was like, let me come in here, end of the vlog. That is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely check out the museum. Definitely go and see it, go and check it out. It is amazing. I loved my experience. I definitely will be back because like I said, I didn't see everything. One more thing I wanted to mention about the museum is I love the setup. Like I said, they had 3 floors of the slavery, segregation, Emmett Till, Martin Luther King, like all the things. It was down at the bottom of the museum. It was 3 floors down at the bottom. And then as you go up, you see the progression of Black people in America. And I just love that. I love that it showed, basically started from the bottom and we here. Even though it was super sad being in that area, it was just amazing seeing the progression and how far we have come. Of course, we have more to go, but we've come far. But I have to go back. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, like, share the video, comment down below, let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, deuces.